top one. Just thought I'd show you this new makeup look that I've done today. I'll just show you how it looks now. And this side. It's wrong, isn't it? Of course it's wrong, because I've got one side that I've made my eye stand out more, and the other side I've tried to close my eye in a little bit, so that's the difference there. Okay, so this video today is about if I've got large round eyes. They're round, they're not protruding, but they're just quite big. So you can either play them up or play them down. So this eye I've played up and just made it stand out a little bit more. This eye I've tried to sort of tone it down and try and make it a little bit smaller. So today I'm just experimenting with two different styles of eye makeup for my shape eye, which is the round eyes. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you at the end for this look. Okay, and you can watch how I did it. I don't speed it up, but I don't put all the makeup on. I just literally do the eyes, and then off camera I do the rest of it. So hopefully it's not too long for you. All right, enjoy the video with it. Now I've already put all the foundation on and prepped all my eyes and my skin and everything. So now I'm just going to go in. I won't go through all the makeup I'm using, but I've used a Tartelette makeup, and I'm going to just, first of all, just put some eye powder on using this pink colour to tone in the discoloration on my eyelids. So let's get on with the video. So yeah, just to take the discoloration out on this eye, if you can see here. I might have to use a little tip for this, won't I? Otherwise you won't be able to see. That evens out my skin tone. It's a bit of a purpley colour there. Now what I'm going to use now is this one in here, and this is going to be just going around outside of my eyeball. So I've just popped that colour on there. Now I'm going to go in with the colour next to it, and I'm just going to do like the crease line. So to do that, I'm going to just go across here, the sweeping motion over here. Just using a little crease bus MAC one. And I'm going to go in with the darker colour here, the purpley colour. Just going to outline here. I'm going right across the socket there, almost like tracing the socket line with this colour. It looks quite dark like that. I'm going to buff it all in. And then with the top white one, I'm going to just use a little bit on my finger just to get a better maximum thickness. I'm going to go in the middle there. Going back in with that purple colour here, I'm just going to line the top part of my eyelids. Going with that brush there, a little angle brush. So you get it all the way across like that. Because it's quite a vibrant colour, I might just pop a bit more on the eyelid there. And we're going to go at the bottom as well. I do a couple of coats just before it dries, otherwise you can't sort of separate it, because that's it. Once it's on, it's on. So do it when it's still a bit damp there. Okay, I'm just going to go in a tiny bit more and just make that really emphasised on that side there. Go back in and make that just a bit more defined. Just go over that a little bit more just to get that little pink tinge come through. All right, this is making this eye stand out because I've got the mascara at the bottom there. I've highlighted the top, well, I've lined the top eyelashes as well to make that really stand out. I'll actually pop a tiny bit more of that on, I think. Okay, so that looks like that so far, and that makes the back of it recede in and the front pop out. Now I'm going to do the opposite, and I'm just going to just completely close this eye in a little bit. Okay, so that's how that one looks. This is how this looks. So I'm taking the same palette and we're doing the same colours, but a different way around. So with that same colour, I'm just going to do the pink, the highlighter first, just to cover that discoloration. So we pop that colour on first. With this one, I'm going to go all over the eyeball this time. I'm not making that dark at the back, I'm just covering that whole lid with that colour there. So it's looking like that. Then with a fairly dense bristle brush, which is a MAC one, that one there, I'm going to go in with that dark colour there. I'm going to put that on my eyelid. It's going to go up a little bit here. Just going slightly over the eyeball. So you get that sort of look there. See what happens when you have a hooded eye and you do the dark colour here, you completely leaving all this skin out here. It just sort of hangs over. And it really is the wrong way around. For the hooded eye, you need to do it the other way around. You need the dark colour at the back and the lighter colour at the front. So that's a difference already in this makeup look. Now I'm going to put some, I have some blue eyeliner. I'm going to line that as well, and I'm going to close in the eye, and I'm going to do the top part as well. Or tight line, they call it, don't they? And I'll just do up there a bit as well. You can see the difference already in the two looks, and I haven't finished yet. I'm going to just try and get a bit of a sweepy line up here with that eyeliner to try and elongate my eye, so I completely changed the shape of it. It's already doing it a little bit like that there, so I just need to fill in that little tiny bit there. So I'm trying to slightly change the shape of this eye compared to the other one. How different does that look, huh? I'm going to pop some mascara on, and then we'll keep playing with that bit there. I have to keep looking in the other mirror just so I can see that I'm doing the right way around. I'm going to just go in a little bit more with this bit here. I have to keep looking at it because I'm trying to elongate that a little bit more. What I'll do now, I'm going to complete the rest of my makeup, then I'll get back to you in a sec. Okay, so I've put the rest of my makeup on, and now I'll show you the completely different look. So this side, we've got the makeup that looks like that, and it's perfect for hooded eyes because you're emphasizing the brightness at the front and it recedes with the dark color at the back there. So that's a really pretty look. Now, the other way, I've made my eyes smaller, very, very, very like a smoky look, and that's just hopefully taken away the big eye. But the problem with this one, because this is the hooded eye, it does give it a little bit of an overlap as well, so it looks a bit serious, like I'll just show you. If you didn't have hooded eyes, it would look all right. But that's the two eyes together with a totally different way of putting makeup on. There we go, so that's that look. And the buzzing fly. And that's that look there. So if you don't have, like I said, if you don't have hooded eyes and you want a smoky look, you can go with that one. If you have big eyes and you like to emphasize them, put mascara at the bottom as well and make them even bigger. I used to wear it like this all the time. I didn't realize I was doing it wrong. But yeah. It looks quite serious. When I frown, this looks really quite serious, you know, but this one just makes me look more alive and awake and bright. So see the difference there? Hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe to my channel if you like my kind of videos, and let me know if there's anything else you want me to do, any other techniques or anything. And thanks again for all the subscribers that do come back and revisit my videos. It's fantastic. I do enjoy seeing your comments, so thanks again, and welcome to all the new ones if there are some new subscribers. So it helps the channel grow, and I'm looking forward to getting over the 400 mark. It's taken a long while, I've got to say. But anyway, thanks again, and enjoy the video.